Hello, Noveno. We have new activities for next week. What I need you to do is open your workbook on page 76. Let's start with the exercise 1. Look at the photo and see what relationship do you think the girls have with each other. Read the text quickly and check your answer. On exercise 2, okay, the same thing, you need to read the text and you need to see what does it mean. This, or this, but you need to read. On the next one, you need to answer yes or not. And in order to answer this, you need to read again. Okay, this is reading comprehension. Next exercise, okay, we're going to be talking about reflexive pronouns. Remember, reflexive pronouns are the ones that is about yourself. For example, I said, I did the work by myself. Yo hice el trabajo por mí mismo. Okay, so we have reflexive pronouns in singular and plural. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, and then self. You should notice this is related to I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Okay, it's really easy to understand and to apply this. Okay, next exercise, now that you know the reflexive pronouns, even though I'm sending you a video, a small video, so you can understand better about reflexive pronouns. Complete the sentences with the correct reflexive pronouns. I fell over and hurt last night. So it has to be myself. Okay? Next one. Next page. You need to read the definitions and write the correct words. The hair between a man's nose and mouth is called, well, you know, is going to help you to look in your student's book on the same page. It's going to be page 77. Now that you know the words, okay, you need to write the opposites. For example, my hair isn't long. It is, what is the opposite for long? Short. Okay, and you continue doing the exercises. Here, I want you to describe yourself. I am tall, short, long hair, brown hair, okay? At least 5 lines. On the next exercise, what you need to do is to put the right words in the right place. Okay? So you know this. Forehead, eyebrows, chin, eyelashes, cheeks, nose, teeth, and lips. Now that you know the words, what you need to do is look at the adjective and nouns and choose the adjective that you cannot use. For example, we have a forehead. You can have a wide forehead, narrow forehead, but you cannot have a clever forehead. So you need to give us the one that doesn't belong there, okay? And now that you have more vocabulary words, you can continue talking about yourself. In this case, you need to write a description of yourself, you know, using all these, okay? But the ones that really belong to you. Okay, that's all for this week. See you on our next class. Bye-bye, Noveno.